at the Groovytown Bank holds the most secret ingredient of the deodorant. But no, not just any deodorant. The most expensive deodorant. See, that's what Mr. Groovy used, the founder of Groovytown. But wait, who's this? I know, it's Dachshund, the mad clown. I got it! The deodorant of the centuries! Now, Groovytown will be mine! But seriously, folks, if you really can take this seriously, it's a clown selling deodorant. But, who cares? Okay. At Kevin Boat's house, a rich famous millionaire and movie star is at his young house with his young kid sidekick and partner, Rick Moans. Tell me, Rick, what was the first history ever written about this town? Well, geez, it's the Mr. Groovy's deodorant, of course, the most famous deodorant ever. What about it? I'm being invited here to talk about this deodorant. I can't wait. Ding, ding, ding. Uh-oh, it's the special phone. Some of the phones. Yes, Officer Burger. What? Odorant? The same odorant what Mr. Groovy had? Been sewing? We'll be right there. The odorant has been sewing. Son of a thief! Quick, to the Shark Ocean. Are you ready, parrot? Yes, SharkMan, let's go. Get back the deodorant. Thank you for coming right away, SharkMan and... SharkMan, what's your name again? Oh, it's Parrot. I'm sorry, I have a short-time memory loss. It's okay. We all know what is going on here. You see, the mad clown Bonkers is after this deodorant as he always have been. Come on, Parrot. We don't have no time to lose. It's nice to have this deodorant in my hands so I can take up Groovyland. And SharkMan and Parrot won't stop me this time. No. No. I will defeat this SharkMan and Parrot if I just can. Woo! Do. Because I set a trap for them. How are we supposed to go all the way up here, SharkMan? And remember, in our capes, it's full of jetpack fuel. We can go all the way up. Let's do it. Bob Dylan? Hello here, SharkMan and Parrot. How would you like to come and watch my concert? It's gonna be a blowing in the wind, you know what I mean? You know, I really like you, Mr. Dylan. I am a fan of your music, but crime does not pay, and I sadly have to go fight crime. But maybe next time. Some of the voice, Batman. SharkMan. How does he sing like that? You say right here, Parrot. We don't want to attract any attention. So, I'm just going to go in there with the suit and act like I'm normal. They got me with the pellet gun! And I got parrot too! Well, you're probably wondering what I'm gonna do to you, SharkMan. Apparently, you'll be turned into shark soup. Not really, I'm gonna turn you into cotton candy. Get it? 'Cause I'm a clown? Is this the end for SharkMan and Parrot? Turn in next time to find out. Same shark time, same shark channel.